This is a short video that has to do with one of my blogs called Pink Pearls, which is about displaying and restoring vintage Barbie dolls. Now these are two dolls. This is a sun gold skipper, and this is a 90s Stacie. And I started this video really because of Stacie. She's in wonderful condition. These are cute little dolls. But I don't know if it was an original elastic band or whether someone did something, but this looks to be an elastic band was in her hair for so long and then is like completely stuck on her hair. So I want to tell you how you can fix this. And then Skipper is typical in that her hair is in wonderful condition, except it's all tangled. And if you sit there with a comb or a brush and you try to comb that out without this one step first, you're going to end up pulling out hair. So there's an easy way to do a first step for both of these dolls, and it involves a fabric softener. This is Snuggle. You can use any brand of fabric softener. And what you do is you take a Pyrex cup, 2-cup measure. You pour about a quarter of an inch of fabric softener into the bottom of the cup. And then you fill the cup, 2 cups of boiling water. And then stir it up a little bit. And then, especially with like the Skipper, and I do this with any of the old, especially the vintage early Barbie ponytails, the hair that Mattel uses is different on the different age dolls. But then you prop the doll up and you have the doll stay like this for about 15 minutes. And then you take it out and you rinse it well with hot water, and you'd be amazed how easy it is to comb out the hair after doing that. Very simple step, and especially, like I said, on the older ponytails, bubble cuts, it'll restore. Like bubble cut hair often got stiff. Now with Stacie, we're going to do the same thing once I do one other thing. Now this is unconventional, but it works. I've never seen, I don't know if they painted this. I can't figure out what it is, but what I do have is a flea comb, a dog flea comb. And I know this works because I've already done a section of it over here. So, but what I want to do is give her a fabric softener treatment before I finish doing this. So I'm going to do what I just said with the fabric softener, and then take the flea comb and very carefully comb her hair. And even without the fabric softener, I was finding that whatever this black stuff is was coming right out. But in the meantime, it looks like they had braided her hair, and her hair is supposed to be like in loose curls. Now, I do already have pages up about how to curl the hair, but you can basically use a bobby pin. Take a section of hair and a bobby pin, put the hair through the bobby pin, and roll it up loosely. And then, without the fabric softener, do the same thing with boiling water. You don't want to let the doll's head get in there for too long. It won't really hurt them, but you kind of want to set them in there at an angle with all their hair in there. So you can recurl their hair and then let it soak in boiling water like that for about, again, 10 to 15 minutes. Take it out, let it dry, and then remove the bobby pins, and you'll have wonderful curls. So these are just a couple of quick ways to restore the hair on vintage Mattel Barbie dolls.